So let's talk about Photoshop advanced topic, color collection. All right, so I have if you like to download this picture, it's from my website dstraining.com/asia-training. So I did give training for Asia creative team. So these are resources. Okay, then you come down to this picture here. So this is the picture, or this is a photo that I shoot for my client, but I've been mistaken to shot with the wrong color white balance. So I need to do some color correction for this picture. Even though I shot the right color white balance later on, but this is the previous picture I took, so I just leave it. So I've been uploaded to this website, so to let you guys know how to make the color correction if you use a wrong white balance to shot your photo using your DSLR camera. Alright, so I can just copy here and then new, create, then I just paste it here. Okay, so what I need to do is let's see. Okay, I just expand all this first. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I just need to crop the picture. So I just press C. All right, then I can resize the canvas here, rotate a little bit, then just press this one. All right, so this is a very bad color white balance color photo, so I need to make it back to normal original color for this crab here. All right, so first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a layer 1 here. Okay, perfect. Then you go to adjustment layer here. All right, so you look for a thing called a threshold. So this is the one. All right, the threshold here. Okay, then you click on that. So what you do, you go to layers, then you have a new layer added called threshold. Alright, so adjustment back here, trace. Okay, so you just double click. Okay, you will see this thing come out, the property here. So what you need to do is you just drag to the left. Okay, drag to the left. Then you come in a little bit until you see the black dot come out. This is the area here. So what you need to do, you need to take this color sample tool, all right, to mark this place down. So I need to go to the Z here. Just press Z and drag to right hand side. Then just mark it down here. All right, Control 1, Control 0. Okay. Then what you need to do is Control 4. Okay, go down, go back. Okay, then what you need to do again, property adjustment, then you drag to the right hand side. Okay, then you slowly drag to the left, maximum right first, then you click and drag to the left and see which white dot come out first. So I think this is the one. Okay, I just mark it down here. All right. Okay, so come back here. What I need to do, I have two marking here using this color sampler tool here. All right, so if you go back to your layer here, I think you don't need this one anymore. That means you don't need this layer anymore, the threshold. You can just delete it. All right, so you still have this tool, the spot here, the sample spot here. If you change other tools like moving tools, the spot actually gone. So you need to call this back. You have to click back the same tool, color sampler tool. So this one come out. Okay, what you need to do, you go to adjustment. Okay, I'm going to use curve. Okay, so this is the curve. So this is the sample in the image to set black point. So you want you to find the the most black area, dark area. So you click on this eyedropper sample tools here. Then I just go in a little bit. Okay, then just zoom in a bit. Make sure I press on the center of this first point here. All right, nice. So I'll come back here. So the second tools you're going to use is the set the Y point. So this is the third one here. All right, then you click on the third one. Boom, you have a perfect color, white balance color back to normal. All right, so before, after, before, after. Okay, if you press Ctrl E, merge down, done. Your color balance with the professional way is using the threshold to set black and white spot, then get the original color. So this is how you do it. Thank you.